Hi guys, my name is Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video on this look here. This is the reverse cat eye. I saw Painted by Spencer go viral for this look and I really wanted to try it. Painted by Spencer is one of my favorite makeup artists. I've been watching him for months now and I absolutely love his work, so it's about time I tried out one of his looks. So if you would like to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. To prime my skin, I'm only using one primer today. I know, very unusual. I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Primer. For my foundation today, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade 15 Neutral. I've used this foundation a handful of times and I actually really like it. I love the finish, it has amazing coverage, and I actually think this foundation is waterproof. I remember I put some on the back of my hand and had washed my hands under just some water and it didn't come off. So I think it's waterproof, which is cool. And yeah, I love this foundation and you should definitely try it out. To conceal, I'm using an old favorite. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple. To contour my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty matchsticks in the shade Espresso as usual. I'm just using the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush to blend out my concealer. I absolutely love this brush. I think it blends my concealer out just beautifully. You need the brush. I will link it down below. Make sure you get it. And I believe it's like $4 to $6. You need it. Go get it. I'm alternating my concealer brush with my contouring brush just to make sure that it blends out as seamlessly as possible and doesn't have any harsh lines. For my second concealer, I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer in the shade 22. If you want to see an in-depth tutorial about why I use a white concealer, how I use it, how I blend it and everything beyond this tutorial, make sure to check out my last video. I will leave it in the cards for you to watch. Now I am setting my under eyes. I'm first going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish setting powder in the shade 2 Medium. I also baked with my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana Bread, and now I am bronzing my face using the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Thick Mint. After wiping away the setting powder, I'm going to get into the eyes. I used an eyeshadow primer, which I didn't even show because you literally don't have to do that, but I did anyway. So the eyeshadow palette I'm using today is the NYX Ultimate Utopia palette, and the first shade I'm using is basically the same color as my skin because I don't want to do anything too crazy on my eyes for this makeup look, and I'm going in a winging shape. Next, I went in with a deeper brown shade just to define the crease a little bit more and also the wing. Now I am going on my waterline with my Urban Decay 24-hour gel eyeliner. This is just the black shade. I'm sorry I'm getting it a little bit out of the frame. And now I am extending the liner on the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to use a brush to smudge it out. I also went back in a little bit with the liner because I wanted to extend it a little bit further. That's really all you do for the reverse liner. And then for some reason, I did not do the inner corner on camera, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm sure that's very self-explanatory. I basically just did the same thing I did on the outer corner on the inner corner. Now I'm just taking the black shade in the NYX Ultimate Utopia palette, and I'm using that to make the wing a little bit smokier and a little bit darker. And I'm also using it on the liner on the waterline, and I'm also smoking that out a little bit. This look is really easy, really simple, and honestly really quick. And it's very pretty, very sultry, it gives. Now I'm applying my blush. I'm using the Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette actually, and I decided to go for a red blush today instead of orange. I know, very unlike me, but I really like how red blush looks as well. Now I'm just highlighting my nose and my cupid's bow using the Huda Beauty Nymph All Over Glow highlighter in the shade Helios. Now I'm just using a black liquid liner to make some beauty marks on my face. Now to line my lips, I'm using the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade Pitch. First, I'm so sorry I was a little bit out of frame while doing my lips, by the way. And for my second lip liner, I also used a Colourpop Lippy Pencil, but I used the shade BFF4. And then for my lipstick, I used the Huda Beauty Cream Lipstick in the shade Empress. And for my gloss, I used the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Sweet Mouth. So here is the finished look. I'm really happy with how it came out. It's really smoky and sultry and just makes me feel very good about myself. So I love how it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to give this video a like, leave a comment of your thoughts down below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you don't miss another video from me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!